Every week, millions of people inject themselves with this tiny pen. Some call it the greatest medical breakthrough in decades. Others believe we're only beginning to understand its true impact. Today, more than 40% of American adults live with obesity. Modern life has changed how we eat and how we move. Until researchers discovered something unexpected. A diabetes drug, that seemed to change everything. The breakthrough came from an unlikely source. The Gila monster, a venomous lizard native to the deserts of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. Scientists discovered a hormone in its venom that closely resembled GLP-1, a natural hormone that helps regulate blood sugar and appetite. That remarkable discovery eventually paved the way for medicines like semaglutide, the active ingredient in Ozempic. But doctors noticed something unusual. Their patients kept losing weight. This is astonishing, right? Clinical trials confirmed what doctors were seeing. This was an accidental miracle. To understand why Ozempic has become one of the most talked about medicines in the world, we first need to understand a tiny hormone your body has been making all along. It's called GLP-1, short for glucagon-like peptide 1. Every time you eat, your intestines release this hormone into your bloodstream. Think of it as a biological messenger. Within minutes, it begins sending instructions to different parts of your body, coordinating how your brain, stomach, pancreas, and digestive system respond to a meal. Semaglutide, the active ingredient in Ozempic, was designed to imitate this natural hormone, but it stays active much longer, allowing those signals to last far beyond what nature originally intended. One of GLP-1's most powerful effects happens inside your brain. Deep within the hypothalamus are specialized nerve cells that constantly monitor your body's energy needs. After every meal, GLP-1 carries a simple message: you've had enough to eat. For many people living with obesity, those natural signals may be weaker or overwhelmed by powerful hunger pathways, making it difficult to feel satisfied. Semaglutide strengthens this communication, helping the brain recognize fullness sooner and more consistently. Patients often describe it as turning down the constant volume of food thoughts, allowing hunger to become calmer, more predictable, and easier to manage. One of the most surprising changes people report isn't that they're forcing themselves to eat less. It's that they simply don't want as much food anymore. Meals that once ended with second or even third servings suddenly feel complete after a much smaller portion. The urge to keep snacking throughout the day begins to fade. This isn't because Ozempic removes the enjoyment of eating. Instead, it helps restore the body's natural ability to recognize when enough food has been consumed. For many patients, this shift feels less like following a strict diet. The brain isn't the only place where Ozempic changes the way we eat. Another important effect happens inside the stomach. Normally, after a meal, food gradually moves from the stomach into the small intestine, making room for the next meal. Semaglutide slows this process, allowing food to remain in the stomach for a longer period. As a result, feelings of fullness last much longer than they normally would. This extended sense of satisfaction naturally reduces the urge to snack between meals or eat oversized portions. While this effect plays a major role in weight loss, it can also explain why some people experience nausea, bloating, or a feeling of heaviness, especially during the first few weeks of treatment. While Ozempic became famous for helping people lose weight, that was never its original purpose. It was developed to treat type 2 diabetes by helping the body control blood sugar more effectively. After eating, blood glucose naturally rises. In people with type 2 diabetes, the body often struggles to produce enough insulin or use it efficiently. Semaglutide helps the pancreas release insulin only when blood sugar is elevated, while also reducing the amount of glucose released by the liver. Together, these actions help keep blood sugar levels more stable throughout the day, reducing dangerous spikes after meals. But Ozempic's benefits don't stop with blood sugar control. As researchers continued studying semaglutide, they discovered something even more remarkable. Keeping blood sugar under control was only the beginning. As larger clinical trials followed thousands of patients over several years, researchers noticed something unexpected. People taking semaglutide weren't just improving their diabetes. They were also experiencing fewer major cardiovascular events, including heart attacks and strokes. Scientists believe that better blood sugar control, meaningful weight loss, lower inflammation, and improved blood vessel health all work together to reduce strain on the heart. Emerging evidence also suggests semaglutide may help slow the progression of kidney disease in certain people with type 2 diabetes. These discoveries transformed Ozempic from a diabetes medication into one of the most closely studied drugs. But no medication is without risks. Despite its impressive results, Ozempic isn't an easy medication for everyone. In fact, the most common reason people stop taking it isn't because it doesn't work. It's because of the side effects. As the stomach empties more slowly and the digestive system adapts, many people experience nausea, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, or occasional vomiting, especially during the first few weeks or after increasing the dose. For most patients, these symptoms are temporary and gradually improve as the body adjusts. Doctors often reduce the risk by starting with a low dose and increasing it slowly. Understanding these effects before treatment begins helps patients set realistic expectations and stay committed if mild discomfort occurs. Despite its impressive results, Ozempic isn't an easy medication for everyone. In fact, the most common reason people stop taking it isn't because it doesn't work, it's because of the side effects. Ozempic isn't a miracle. It represents something many believed was impossible. It doesn't replace healthy eating. The future of medicine may be about preventing disease before it begins. Perhaps the greatest breakthroughs in medicine don't happen in hospitals. They begin inside the human body.